Hey guys, today I'm unboxing something that's sure to make your holiday countdown extra special, the Advent Calendar building block set for 2024. This is more than just an Advent calendar. Inside are 24 numbered boxes filled with Christmas themed building blocks. The boxes are numbered sequentially, so each day they're going to open up their own little box. Let's open up this guy from the side so we can see it. So we have a plastic tray with 24 individual little spots, and inside of the trays are the bags of the building blocks, which builds something, and then when the 24 days are over, it combines to build a bigger piece. The blocks are made of high quality, durable material, ABS material, meaning that they feel smooth and sturdy while building. Plus, the step-by-step instructions in each little packet are easy to follow, so even young builders can enjoy this advent calendar. The pieces are small, so they are not recommended for children under 3, but anybody over that should enjoy this. By the end of the countdown, you'll have 6 amazing Christmas displays to decorate your home. This set is perfect for kids 6 and older, and adults will love it too. In fact, in December, I'm going to start putting this together myself and recording it so that people can see what it looks like. So if you're looking for a creative and festive way to count down to Christmas, this Advent Calendar building block set is a must-have. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more unboxing videos. The link is in the description if you like it and you want to purchase it on Amazon.